So, kailangan ng i-dialysis. And with her current situation, kailangan din siyang i-ICU. Kasi at the moment, parang kailangan niya ng oxygen. And he was crying. I broke down as well kasi magandang hapon. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Thursday and it is currently 3:15 ng hapon. And as you can see, nandito ako sa bahay ngayon. Supposedly, sa office ako mag-work today kasi nga, diba, Thursday. However, kaninang umaga, I didn't feel very well. Kaya, nag-message ako sa boss ko. Sabi ko, if it's okay, na sa bahay na lang muna ako mag-work. Kasi, it's not that I'm not feeling well na may sakit ako, guys. But, I'm not feeling well in a sense na stress si ate nyo ngayon. And, yeah, I thought na mag-vlog ako kasi for me naman, no, you are part of my family already. And, yeah, it seems like I share everything with you na. And then, yeah, kaya napag-isipan ko, yeah, maybe it will help me a little bit better kapag nailabas ko yung nararamdaman ko rin, guys. And also, para malaman nyo rin, kasi it's been a few days na hindi ako nakapag-vlog, hindi ako nakapag-upload and all. It's because, yun na nga, guys, dahil stress si ate nyo at the moment. So, may problema kasi sa Pilipinas, guys. And, the other day, tinawagan ako ng family ko kasi yung asawa ng kuya ko na ospital. Well, actually, hindi muna siya na ospital at first. She was sick for a while. Tapos, alam niyo yung paalbularyo, binisaya lang, ganun. So, yun yung ginawa nila. Because, kung saan kasi kami, guys, sa Misamis Oriental, sa Mindanao, unfortunately, for some reason, parang sinasabi nila na every time na may sakit ka, parang sinasabi nila na may COVID ka. So, yun yung kinakatakutan ng family ko na baka sabihin na may COVID yung asawa ng kuya ko. And then, baka i-quarantine silang lahat. Pag nangyari yun, paano na lang yung kabuhayan nga, diba? Anyways, long story short, yun na nga, sinabi ko na nga na punta na lang ng hospital para to make sure na wala talagang COVID or walang problema, diba? Because if it's COVID, then it's COVID. Unfortunately, you have to deal with that. But, sa sitwasyon naman niya, yung mga symptoms naman na pinapakita, hindi talaga COVID, guys. So, dinala nila sa hospital yung asawa ng kuya ko. And, then, it went downhill. Kasi, parang, anong tawag dito? Yung sa kasi, yung parang public na hospital sa amin. Puno na yata sila. So, they can't take any more patients. And then, so, no choice, dinala doon sa private, guys. And alam nyo naman, pag private, guys, no? The cost and everything, like, seriously, hanggang tagaliig or maybe hanggang dito na lampas pa sa ulo yung mga bayarin. Anyways, there's no other option, guys. Kailangan dalhin sa hospital. And then, yeah, they've done some test, x-ray, and ang tawag dito, blood test, ganyan. Kasi nga, parang siguro, yung initial na findings ng doktor, sinabi nila na dehydrated siya. And I said, like, that's really strange na dehydrated tapos ganyan. Kasi parang, ewan ko, guys, parang super, para luya kayo iyang lawas. And, it breaks my heart, guys, just, you know, when they send me photos and videos of her struggling, parang ganun. And alam nyo naman, guys, nabuntis si mami nyo. So I'm trying to avoid stress kasi nga we all know na maapektuhan yung ating baby girl sa tiyan ni mami niyo kapag stress ako, diba? So, anyways, yesterday, guys, long story short, so yesterday, I was in the office and the whole afternoon, I was just like, you know, in and out sa boardroom kasi kinakausap ko yung family ko sa Pinas and wala akong ginawa kundi umiyak nang umiyak. Hindi ako makapag-focus sa trabaho ko and all kasi sinasabi na ng doktor na she has to go to parang mas malaking ospital sa city kung saan isasagawa yung dialysis kasi they found out na yung kidney daw niya ay parang failure na yung kidney niya, hindi na mag-function and also kailangan ng i-dialysis. And with her current situation, kailangan din siyang i-ICU kasi at the moment parang kailangan niya ng oxygen para anong tawag dito? Maka-breathe. So, obviously, you know, I've been talking to my sister kasi yung sister ko doon, yung parang naging in charge pa. And, pag kinakausap ko yung sister ko, guys, I'm trying to be like tough. And sabi ko na, what we're gonna do with this, and blah, 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 blah. But then, you know, my sister handed the phone to my brother. And, he was crying. I broke down as well kasi minsan, I know, madaling magsalita dito kasi malayo ako, diba? Hindi ako yung nakakakita ng sitwasyon niya doon, ano. But, yeah, nung nakausap ko na yung kuya ko, siya talaga yung umiyak na sinabi niya na wala daw siyang ibang matawagan. Kasi obviously, guys, mahirap yung buhay sa Pilipinas, guys. Especially kapag kailangan ng magpa-hospital, ganun. Malaki na talaga yung babayarin, di ba? And at the moment, parang kasi sinabi ko na rin sa kanila before na, di ba, I'm going on maternity leave and hanggang na lang, next month na lang yung trabaho ko kasi kailangan ko nang mag-leave because I'm having a baby. Well, it means wala na akong salary, di ba? So whatever na meron ako ngayon, I'm trying to save the best that I can para sa rainy days, ganun. Pero yun na nga, I understand na para nagawa na nila lahat doon and still not enough. So obviously apektado din ako dito, guys. And then I've been talking to Daddy Mike. I've been crying and Daddy Mike is very worried kasi nga, diba, sabi niya, this is the last thing that you need, being stressed, ganito, kasi nga, we're having, you know, our baby very soon and obviously nakaka-apekto sa baby kapag na-stress yung mommy. But yeah, so yesterday, that was my story. I was just like crying the whole time. I got home and then si Daddy Mike nakauwi din from work and we talk about it and then I was, you know, parang tulala lang ako, guys, kasi super affected talaga ako for my brother, diba? Kasi alam ko asawa niya yun, guys, and sobrang nasasaktan siya sa sitwasyon ng asawa niya ngayon. So anyways, yung sa hospital naman, sinasabi nila na kung dadalhin naman sa city for yung malaking hospital para sa dialysis, unfortunately, there's a waiting list. At yung public hospital sa Cagayan de Oro, they are not taking any more patients kasi nga sobrang punong-puno na sila. So it means there's no choice. We have to take her to a private hospital. Kahit yung private hospital sa Cagayan de Oro, guys, may waiting list din. And then now, sabi nila, they're not gonna refer my sister-in-law sa city naman kung hindi masisettle yung babayarin doon sa hospital where she is right now. And then yun na nga, lumabas na yung bill and for 3 days, yes, sobrang laki ng babayarin just for 3 days, guys, kasi sa lahat ng mga test and medications, ganun. So, kailangan yung isettle bago siya i-refer. Anyways, So, parang dumagdag yun siya, guys. Sobra talaga akong na-stress. And so last night, Daddy Mike, was very generous. Sabi niya na, we will send financial help, ganito. But I hope after this, I'm not gonna see you, stressing anymore. If it's, I can't avoid to stress naman, guys, no, because sa sitwasyon na to. But he's just hoping na I can manage maybe better. Kasi nga, diba, kailangan ko rin isipin yung kapakanan ng baby namin sa tiyan ko. So that's why, nagpadala ng tulong si Daddy Mike Financial. And at the moment, yung last update ngayon is, hindi muna nila dadalhin for dialysis kasi marami daw nakapagsabi na parang after dialysis daw, minsan the patient dies. Alam niyo yun. And I'm not very familiar sa mga ganyan. So, sinabi nila na maybe it's better na parang kung stable na yung pakiramdam niya ngayon, which sabi naman nila na okay, kumakain, umiinom naman daw siya. So, sinasabi nila na pag stable na daw siya, they will just discharge her from the hospital. And then, dadalhin siya sa bahay kung saan i-maintain na lang yung mga medication niya. And also, alam niyo yun, guys, naniniwala ako sa yung mga herbal, yung mga binisaya, mga albularyo, yung mga ganun, guys. Naniniwala ako sa mga ganun. So, I'm hoping that, yung mga binisaya or mga herbal na mga maka-cure. O kung hindi man maka-cure, guys, it will help manage how, she's feeling at the moment. At sana maging okay yung pakiramdam niya. For herself, of course, and also for her family, for my brother and for my mga pamangkin. Kasi may mga pa ako, guys, yung youngest niya is only 2 years old ata. So, that's why sabi ko sa boss ko, hindi mo na ako makakapasok today. Yun yung dahilan ko kasi ayokong kahit nasa office ako ay paiyak-iyak ako, ganun ba. So at least kahit nandito ako sa bahay, kung iiyak ako, then I can just cry anytime I want. Kasi nga, diba, crying helps. Parang nailalabas mo yung sakit na nararamdaman mo sa kaloob-looban mo. But at the moment, kailangan ko rin pumunta sa office, guys, kasi tinawagan ako ng boss ko if it's possible nga na this afternoon at 4 o'clock, madadala ko yung laptop ko sa office kasi anong tawag dito, kailangan may update na kailangan gawin and my laptop has to be in the office sa dock para magawa nila yung update. So I need to take it to the office and then pick it up tomorrow morning. And yeah, I don't mind anyways because I think parang naiyak ko na lahat yung sakit earlier today. So I felt a bit better and hearing the news, the update from them na she's eating, she's drinking, ganun, it makes me feel a bit better. Kaya yun. And also Paris is in childcare today, guys, kasi naawa ako dun sa bata kapag nandito ako nag-work tapos hindi ko siya dinala sa childcare para hindi siya nakakapaglaro, hindi niya nare-release yung energy niya. Yeah, she needs to see her friends. And also, even though before parang sobrang down ako, kinaya ko na lang na-drive ako papuntang school niya para madala ko siya sa school. And then, yeah, after madrop ko yung laptop ko sa office, then I'll go pick her up. And yeah, let me know, guys, in the comment section below if you had the same experience about kidney failure and all. Kung ano yung ginawa nyo, kung do you think dialysis is the best way to cure it. Kung may alam kayong mga yung mga medicine na pwede dyan, let me know, guys. Kailangan talaga yung tulong, guys. Like, seriously. Like, the whole family is super down at the moment. And again, you know, as what Daddy Mike said, you know, he's hoping that at least kasi yun lang naman talaga yung magagawa namin dito, guys, no? We are very far, so wala kaming ibang magawa kundi mag-send ng tulong kahit konti, ganun. And Daddy Mike said, hopefully, you know, like, I'll try na hindi ako masyadong ma-stress talaga. Kasi I can feel like our baby Celine is like, you know, parang unstable din siya sa loob kapag umiiyak ako, no? So, yeah, anyways, guys, I thought na, ano lang, chika lang tayo and I'll give you update kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon. Kasi, I think, like, it's best na ma-share ko din sa inyo yung low at down moments namin. Kasi, most of the times, yung nakikita lang sa YouTube ay, alam niyo yung, burakar, yung mga ganun. But then, hindi nakikita ng ibang tao na may mga, tao lang din naman. We all have our ups and downs. And, you know, since for me, I treat you as my family already. And I thought, you know, it would be nice to share how I feel at the moment. But yeah, anyways, I have to pack up now, guys. I have to go. It's now 3:30 and yeah, I will see if I can vlog when I pick up like Paris later and all para naman mabuhay-buhayan din tong vlog natin na to kasi it feels like baka sabihin nyo naman to very, very sad naman to or ganyan. So yeah, I will see you again later.
A few moments later.
Where's your water bottle? Where's the water bottle? What happened to the lights now?
It's very broken.
What happened?
It's just broken.
It's broken, is it?
Yeah, because it's stuck.
I don't think your water bottle is there enough. Did you drink water today? It's inside the room, I think. It's only your clothes inside. See? Uh-oh. Come on. Let's go home. So you can drink water.
I want my new socks.
Your new what?
Hey, I have my socks.
Are you wearing your new shoes?
Yeah, because I don't have socks.
There's no socks.
I want my milk here.
What happened?
This was pizza.
We'll check when we get home. Come on.
Mommy.
Say first. Say hi, Tita Dito. Say hi, Tita Dito. Oh. Alright, let's go home now.
Are you from here?
Yeah, well, we're looking for your water bottle, anak. You think it's here? It's here, anak.
Huh?
See? Paris. Don't drink that one. Okay, that's old. Let's go. We can put more new water when we get home, okay?
That's what you're going to buy. Is the movie candy?
Which one?
Movie candy? Which candy is it?
Candy.
Which candy is it?
I don't have candy, but I have something for you in the car.
Which candy is that?
Let's go.
Which that? What is that?
Biscuit. Like yesterday.
Because I don't like that one.
Oh, you do. You love it. Come on. Hi guys! It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi and we're in the kitchen. As you can see, si Daddy Mike natin na hindi pa nakauwi kasi yung train daw niya ay na-cancel at kailangan niya maghintay ng next train. Kaya, ayun. Natagalan. So, naisipan ko guys, alam nyo, actually, I have like a really, really bad headache. And I know this is from, you know, thinking too much. So, yung laptop ko pala, nandun pa sa office. Yung IT department, they tried to do it like really quick para madala ko yung laptop pag uwi ko kaninang hapon. But, unfortunately, it's gonna take a while. So, bukas ko na lang babalikan yun. Anyways, magluluto tayo ng chicken. Ayan. So, frozen to kanina, nilabas si Daddy Mike. So, I thought lulutuin ko na lang. And we'll just use whatever it is na meron kami. Alam nyo, wala kaming masyadong vegetables sa fridge. So, meron kaming ganito, yung salad kit, crunchy. So, meron siyang, white and red cabbage, carrot, spring onion, celery. Ayan. So, hindi talaga siya pang... Anong tawag dito, guys? Hindi talaga siya pang stir fry. But, alam nyo, liliit din naman yan sa tiyan, diba? So, that's... so, that's fine. Okay lang yan. Kakainin din naman. Liliit din yan siya sa ating, bituka. And then, nakita ko sa aming pantry, meron pa tayong naiwan na oyster sauce. I love oyster sauce, guys. So, yan na lang yung lulutuin natin. Para meron tayong pang dinner. And the rice is cooking now. And baby girl is watching Peppa Pig. Na! Baba!
Where are you, Mommy?
I'm here, sweetheart.
Where are you, Mommy? Where are you, Mommy?
Did I scare you? Did I? Come here, sabi. Say hi sa tita and tito. Uy, come on. Well, they're looking for you. They said, where's Paris? So, alam nyo guys, ito lang tagay naglalagay ng ngiti sa aking mukha, sa aking mga labi. Char. Halika na. At ito, tingnan nyo, malaki na. In 10 weeks, baby Celine will be here in 10 weeks. Do you know that? Do you know that, anak? Oopsie. Oopsie. So, yun yung dinner natin, guys, tonight. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Sana sarap to, guys. Oy. Wala nang nailang kami, guys. Hindi okay na. Titang dito. Ito, titang dito. Ito na mo. Dami cooking. Ito. Nagang-nagang. What are you trying to get? Kumain na pala yan siya ng sandwich, guys. Kaya hindi na yan siya betong. Okay, close it na, anak. Close it, quick. Good girl. What is that? Shoot it at Tito B? What is that? Ice. Ice. Someone's knocking. Could be Daddy. We'll see if it's Daddy. Go first, okay? Go. Is Daddy?
Yeah.
It's Daddy.
Mary is school.
Was she?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Mary,
Close it.
Mary.
Daddy, please. Please.
Are you
Look,
purring?
look at. Huh?
Are you purring?
Huh?
Are you purring on me?
Burping on you?
Yeah.
Why would I?
Huh? What?